This video will take you step by step through the onboard diagnostics of the Yamaha Sideswitch display. Hit the power button to turn on the display. Within 30 seconds of turning on the display, hold the power button down for 10 seconds. You will see a D come up on the display, letting you know that you are now in the diagnostic mode. In the diagnostic mode, there are 4 menu options. You can navigate to each of these menus by using the up and down assist buttons. To make a selection, hold the down assist button for 2 seconds. Diagnostic Mode 1 is the speed sensor test. Once this mode is selected, spin the rear wheel of the bike. Each time the magnet passes the sensor, it will count this number on the display. Make sure the number on the display matches how many times the wheel magnet passes the sensor. Do at least 3 rotations to get an accurate reading. Open up the main menu and use the up and down assist buttons to navigate to Diagnostic Menu 2. There are 4 different tests in this diagnostic mode: torque sensor, motor current, error display, and display unit functions check. Hold the down assist button for 2 seconds to select this mode. As soon as you enter into Diagnostic Mode 2, the system will automatically start the torque sensor reference voltage test for D2-1. You should hear the motor working, and after a few seconds a number will pop up on the screen. Please note that the screen does not show the decimal point. This number is actually 0.5 volts. To determine whether or not the torque sensor is good, this number should be between 0.2 and 1.1 volts. If the number is outside of this range, implement the torque sensor reference voltage adjustment. To do this, start with the bike off. Turn on the bike and let it sit undisturbed for 5 minutes until the display turns off. Repeat the torque sensor reference voltage test to see if this number is back in an acceptable range. Hit the light button to move to the motor current test, D2-2. For this test, hold the rear brake and apply some pressure to the pedals. This number should climb from 0 to 100 and eventually display FL. When you take pressure off the pedals, this number should reduce to 0. If FL is not displayed and the bicycle was ridden immediately before checking the motor current, it is possible that the battery or the controller temperatures are too high. Let the bike sit for a while, or try another battery on the bike and redo this test. Hit the light button to move to the error display test, D2-3. If there is no malfunctions, this test will automatically be skipped and go into the display unit functions check, D2-4. When there is a malfunction, an E2 or E4 will be displayed. E2 and E4 both reference error codes within the motor. When replacing parts, always come back to this test and make sure there are no errors displayed in this mode. Hit the light button to move on to the display unit functions check, D2-4. The display will alternate between D2-4 and lighting up all segments of the display. This will allow you to see if any of these are not illuminating. In the main diagnostic menu, use the assist arrows to navigate to menu 3, the error log history mode. If the system has picked up errors, the most recent 3 will be displayed. Use the up and down assist buttons to switch between the different errors. Use this error number and reference the error codes in the manual. You can also reference the error code list at the end of this video. If no errors have occurred, the display will show an E0. To delete the error history, press and hold the light switch button and press the up and down assist buttons together. Anytime new parts are installed, make sure to go back and delete the error history. In the diagnostic menu, use the assist arrows to navigate to menu 4. Hold down the assist button for 2 seconds to select this mode. This will give you the current firmware version.